Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. And today we are going to discuss something called as the halo effect. So, what is a halo really? It's something bright around a person that makes you blinded, right? So, in life, we will meet some people whose first impressions will be so killer that we will feel like they are just perfect and everything about them is awesome, and we will judge them so good on that even if there are red flags, even if they don't treat you right, or even if they cause harm to you, or even if they are not good for your work or your life, you start to reason with yourself that no, this person is perfect. They'll come around. Maybe it was a bad day, maybe this and that. Post my last reel that I made last night, I realized that the halo effect is something that consumes all of us. One guy who is really sly and smooth in his communications will come into your life, and his first impression will be so killer. You'll be like, oh my god, I found the perfect person, and I just cannot live without, and I have to have him. And we put all our efforts and our waking hours in trying to impress this person because we think he's unattainable, he is really there, he is so good. And these people, by the way, know exactly how to maintain their impression. They'll stay away from you, they'll be emotionally unavailable, they'll not spend time with you, so you never get to really see their imperfect side. That first impression just stays so strong inside your head, and then you feel, oh my god, this guy is so something for which I should keep taking efforts. Now, a halo effect comes even for anybody. For example, we just generally tend to look at somebody's surname or somebody's physical attributes and think, oh wow, this person is already my favorite, and we don't check the other things. This happens in everywhere. It's a bias that is there inside of our heads. We choose to prefer things that we tend to like. Halo effect in relationships comes from a place of lack. So if I already know I'm not going to find a perfect guy, I'm not so good, that no guy stick around with me, and if I find someone, I really should take effort to keep him. If I come from this mentality, then these smooth operators who come with very suave and very silky smooth way into our lives and create this great aura of impression where we feel like, this guy, oh my god, he is giving me attention, wow, now I must do everything to keep him. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. No matter how great an impression somebody creates on you, no matter how they appear in the first glance, I think delayed gratification is a very important life skill, and it should be taught in school. It should be taught in school. Wait for time to pass. Even if you see somebody's good, be like, okay, this is nice, we'll see. Keep giving time to things, because generally when people come with masks on, they cannot keep those masks for a long time. Take your time to trust people. Take your time to give them what you have to offer. Whether it's your loyalty, whether it's your trust, whether it's your body, whether it's your emotions, whether it's your feelings, whether it's all those points in your life which are very, very sensitive and vulnerable. Wait before you give it away. It's very important to give this knowledge out to people today, because a lot of us are feeling cheated. A lot of us are trying to grab on and hold on to people and thinking, yay, I found my love story. And they end up getting abused, they end up getting used, they end up being pressured to do things they don't want to do. We have to stop that. So please take the halo off. The greatest halo that anybody will ever deserve in your life is you yourself. Give yourself the halo. You are the most beautiful and the most wonderful human being. You have a lot to offer, and just not anybody deserves that. They have to be worthy of deserving that. So take your time to understand people, and do not fall for first impressions, darling. And always keep a slight distance from what is happening. Don't get completely involved so you can notice the red flags. We always notice the red flags, but because of the halo effect, we convince ourselves कि ओ ठीक है ना, चलता है, इतना अच्छा है, ठीक है, थोड़ा मेरे को इग्नोर किया चलेगा, इतना अच्छा है, इट डजंट रिप्लाई ऑन टाइम, चलेगा. All red flags, all red flags. If a person is not opening up to you, he has a lot to hide, and therefore he is not good for you, because you on one side have made up your mind to completely open up to him and trust him. It should always work both ways. Trust has to be earned. Don't fall for people who are not really good for you. Don't come from a place of lack, come from a place of abundance. Understand the sex ratio in the world. You don't have to chase a man. Girls, you don't really. And even for guys, you don't have to chase anyone. You'll always find someone else. Always.